Hi friends, welcome to our channel Power of Physical Education. Those who are not subscribe our channel, immediately subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Okay friends, I made important MCQs and anatomy and physiology part 1 and 2 videos. I given the link in description box. If you want, you can visit. Okay friends, let's see the another MCQs on anatomy and physiology. The question number is ventricle is a part of brain, lung, heart. None of these. Answer is heart. In humans, the ventricles are the two lower chambers of the heart. The main function of the ventricles is to pump the blood out of the heart. Here, the ventricles are the part of the heart. Next question 103. The radial artery is situated at upper limb, lower limb, back. None of these. Answer is upper limb. In upper limb, radial artery. This is the radial artery. This radial artery is a large blood vessel that provides oxygenated blood to forearm, wrist and hand. Next question 104. Thyroxine is produced by pancreas, sex gland, thyroid gland. None of these. Answer thyroid gland. Here this thyroxine is the main hormone secreted into the bloodstream by the thyroid gland. The production and release of thyroid hormones is thyroxine and triiodothyronine. Next question 105. Insulin is produced by sex gland, pancreas, thyroid gland. None of these. Answer is pancreas. Through the pancreas, the insulin is produced. Next question. Protein builds nerve tissue, bone tissue, muscle tissue. None of this. Answer is muscle tissue. Next question 107. Vitamin D is rich in milk, butter, egg yolk. None of this. Answer egg yolk. This vitamin D is rich in egg yolk and also sunlight. Due to the deficiency of vitamin D leads to cause rickets disease. Next question. Sunlight is a source of vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D. None of this. Answer vitamin D. Next question 109. Vitamin B6 is present in liver, milk, egg. None of this. Answer in liver vitamin B6 is present. Next question. Rickets occurs due to the deficiency of vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin D. None of this. Answer is vitamin D. Due to the deficiency of vitamin D, rickets. Next question. Osteoporosis disease occurs in muscles, nerves, bones. None of this. Answer bones. Next question 112. Carbohydrates helps in bodybuilding, energy giving, protective. None of this. The answer is energy giving. Next question 113. Functions of vitamins and minerals are bodybuilding, protective and regulating, energy giving, none of this. Answer: protective and regulating. Next question 114. Malaria disease is due to parasites, bacteria, virus, all of these. Answer is parasites. This parasite is spread to humans through the bites of infected mosquitoes. Next question. Dengue fever is caused by parasites, bacteria, virus, all of this. Answer is bacteria. Through the bacteria, dengue fever is caused. This dengue is a mosquito borne viral infection. Next question. Typhoid is caused by parasites, bacteria, virus, none of this. Answer is bacteria. This typhoid fever is caused by Salmonella typhi bacteria. Next question. Diabetes is due to disorder of lung, heart, pancreas, none of this. Answer: pancreas. Next question 118. The name of thigh bone is ulna, radial, femur and tibia. Answer is femur. This femur bone is present in the thigh and it is a longest and strongest bone in our body. Next question. Bones in skeleton consist of 200, 214, 206, 207. There is 206 bones are present in our body. Next question 120. Measles are caused by virus, parasites, bacteria, none of this. Answer: virus. Through the virus, measles are caused in child or adult. Next question 121. Diphtheria is caused by bacteria, parasites, virus, none of this. Answer: bacteria. Through the bacteria, diphtheria is caused. Next question 122. Smallpox is caused by virus, parasites, bacteria, none of this. Answer: virus. Next question 123. Tuberculosis is caused by virus, parasites, bacteria, none of this. Answer is bacteria. Through the bacteria, the tuberculosis disease was caused in the lungs. Next question. Biceps is involuntary muscle, voluntary muscle, cardiac muscle, none of this. Answer is voluntary muscle. Voluntary muscle is a bicep. Next question 125. The condition in which one cannot see distant objects clearly known as myopia, hypermetropia, anemia, none of this. Answer is myopia. Next question. The conditions in which one cannot see close objects very clearly is known as myopia, hypermetropia, anemia, none of this. Answer is hypermetropia. Next questions. Friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Next question 127. Tympanic membranes is responsible for hearing, circulation, digestion, none of this. Answer: hearing. Next 128 question. Physical growth is indicated by increase in height, weight and size of the body. Whether it is right, wrong, partial wrong, none of this. Answer right. Next see 129 question. What percentage of intracellular fluids of the body weight? 40%, 60%, 50%, 70%. Answer is 70%. Next 130 question. What percentage of body is formed by intracellular fluid? 20%, 30%, 40%, 50%. Answer is 30%. Answer is 30%. Next question 131. Dehydration is caused by loss of blood, loss of appetite, loss of salt and water, none of this. Answer loss of salt and water is leads to cause dehydration. Next question 132. The minute structure of human body is tissue, organ, cell, none of this. Answer is cell. Here cell is a basic unit. Next question 133. The constructive activities, growth and cell repair are called as anabolism, catabolism, both, none of this. Answer is anabolism. Next 136 question. The protoplasm of cell is composed of nucleus, cytoplasm, both of these, none of these. Answer is both of these. Nucleus and cytoplasm. Nucleus and cytoplasm. Next question 135. Actin and myosin are connected with bones, muscles, both of these, none of this. Answer is 2. Muscles. Next question. Karyokinesis is associated with urine formation, body movement, cell division, none of this. Answer cell division. Next question 137. The water balance of the body is maintained by gallbladder, kidney, liver, heart. Answer kidney. Here kidneys are the excretory organs. Next question number 138. The mucous membrane is found in alimentary tract, respiratory, both of these, none of these. Answer respiratory. The mucous membrane is found in respiratory. Next question. Synovial membrane lies in the cavity of joint, alimentary tract, urinary tract, none of these. Answer is cavity of joint. Next 140 question. Serous membrane is found in chest, abdomen, both of these, none of these. Answer is chest. In chest, serous membrane is found. Cardiac muscles are unstriated muscles, striated muscles, both, none of this. Answer is striated muscles. Cardiac muscles are the striated muscles. Next question 142. Gastrocnemius muscle is voluntary, involuntary, both of these, cardiac. Answer voluntary. Here gastrocnemius muscles are voluntary muscles. Next 143 question. The shape of deltoid muscle is spindle shaped, bipinnate form, triangular, rhomboid shape. The answer is triangular shape. Here the deltoid muscle is an triangular shape. Next 144 question. Soleus muscles is unipinnate, bipinnate, spindle shaped, rectangular. Answer is bipinnate. Here soleus muscles are bipinnate. Next 145 question. Pectoralis major is fan shaped, spindle shaped, rhomboid, triangular. Answer triangular in shape. Next 146 question. Gastrocnemius muscle is fan shaped, spindle shaped, rhomboid, none of this. Answer is fan shaped. Here gastrocnemius muscle is like fan shaped. Next question. Sternomastoid muscle is found in leg, abdomen, neck, chest. Answer neck. In neck, sternomastoid muscle is found. Next question 148. Vastus medialis is located in thigh, upper limb, abdomen, none of this. Answer is thigh. In thigh, vastus medialis is located. Next question 149. Rectus abdominis is located in neck, thigh, abdomen, none of this. Answer is abdomen. In abdomen region, rectus abdominis is present. Next, the last question is 150th question. The study of the structure of the body is called physiology, anatomy, biology, none of this. Answer is anatomy. Here anatomy is the study of the structure of the body. Okay friends, thanks for watching our channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.